Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Unity software. Now we have seen a decent amount of move, but overall, if you're looking at this chart, even in the last 1 month or 6 months, it's been a steady rise that the stock has shown. Or if you're talking about year to date or 1 year chart, so it has crossed all the highs that it has made in the past 1 year to be specific, and this has been a good rise that the stock has seen. Now, apart from this, let's talk about some news which is driving this move, and let's see what's there in the news. So, this is what we have as our latest news section, this top stories. So, uh, Katie Wood's ARK further reduces Unity software stake after uh, deal to buy more Palantir. Okay, that's fine. So this news as of 11th of November, and let's check out. So stocks making the biggest move. Let's go to Unity Software. So the company saw this software development company saw 2.8% beating third quarter earnings and revenue expectation and raising its full year guidance. Unity also announced its plan to buy Lord of the Rings visual effects maker Weta Digital for more than $1.6 billion in cash and stocks. So this is the news that we have here. This is the latest what we have here. One is related to the sell of uh, one entity or one institution is selling off, and second is about the earnings beat and some you can say buying plan for further growth or further boost their business. So let's go and check it out how this has impacted the stock price. So this is the stock chart of Unity Softwares. Now we have very less amount of data. Let's go to, yeah. So this is the chart we have here. So the data is limited, so we can't go beyond the range, but what we have here is a very good as well as powerful move. Now even though we have seen that on 11th there is a news that an institution or a person who sold his or her shares. Now even after that the stock went up higher, and not only that, if you are looking at this range, so there is a breakout that has happened over here. So the range was in between. Here we have 77 and 86 on the downside, and on the upside you have $175 or $176. Now the stock went down, went up, and it has already moved above or beyond 176. So looks like this will sustain here. So with a stop loss of $176, what we have here as far as next move is concerned is 124% higher, because the stock moves 120%, 24% from the lower end to the higher end. So if there is any further move after the breakout, this will be the replication of the current move. So if I calculate 124% or nearly 124%, so the target that I will get here is $390. So this is a big target or big level that we are looking at as far as the trend is concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.